Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. We hope you are doing well and having a great day.
Thank you for joining our podcast today. Before we start this podcast, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Faris Alfon, which is student ID number 071, and my friend.
I am Haikal Raditya Purnama, my student is the number 078. Nah, I want to ask to a simple question. How many times do we check our phone in a day? Maybe when we wake up, while eating, during breaks, or even before going to sleep. Sometimes we open our phone just to check one notification, but suddenly we spend hours scrolling without realizing it. In this era, social media has become a big part of our daily life. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and other social media applications help us communicate, get information, and share our experience. However, behind all the benefit, there is also a challenge that many people face, which is social media addiction. Nowadays, many people feel uncomfortable when they are away from their phone. This can affect our health, such as sleep quality, concentration, and even our life. The way we spend our time has slowly changed because of social media.
In this episode, we are going to discuss a topic that has become a major part of modern life: social media addiction and its impact on our healthy lifestyle.
That's right. Nowadays, almost everyone use social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and X. These platforms help us communicate, learn new things, and stay entertained.
However, while social media offer many benefits, excessive use can create serious problem. Many people spend hours scrolling through content without even realizing how much time passes.
Today, we will explore what social media addiction is, how it affects our physical and mental health, how it influences our lifestyle, and what we can do it to manage it better.
Hmm. Let's start with a simple question. With what exactly is social media addiction?
Social media addiction refers to exercise and uncontrollable use of social networking platform. A person may feel constant use to check notification, scroll through feeds, or watch short video repeatedly.
Hmm. One common sign is when someone plans to use social media for just a few minutes, but ends up spending hours on it.
Another sign is feeling anxious or uncomfortable when unable to access social media. Some people even check their phone immediately after waking up or right before going to sleep.
Mm. The reason this happen is because social media platforms are uh, designed to keep user engaged. Feature on such as endless scrolling, personalized recommendation, and notification encourage people to stay online longer.
As a result, social media can gradually become a habit that is difficult to control.
Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspect, mental health.
Many studies suggest that exercise, social media use can increase stress, anxiety, and feeling of loneliness.
One major reason is social comparison. People often compare of their life to what they see online.
For example, When someone constantly see posts about luxury vacation, achievement, expensive product, or seemingly perfect lifestyle, they might feel that their own life is not good enough.
The problem is that social media usually show only the highlight of people's life, not their struggle or challenge.
Exactly. This can create unrealistic expectation and reduce self-confidence.
Another issue is FOMO, fear is which stand for fear of missing out.
FOMO, of course, when people feel worried that they are missing important events, trends, or experience happening online.
Hmm, because of this fear, they keep checking social media repeat throughout the day, which can increase stress and reduce focus.
Besides mental health, social media addiction can also affect physical health.
One of the most common problem is poor sleep quality.
Many people spend hours off on their phones before bedtime. The blue light from screen can make it harder to fall asleep.
When people don't get enough sleep, they may feel tired, less productive, and unable to concentrate during school or work.
Another issue is eye strain. Looking at screen for long periods can cause dry eyes, headaches, and blurred vision.
There are also the problem of poor posture. Spending too much time looking down at phone can lead to neck, shoulder, and back pain.
So, while social media itself is not physical harmful, exercise use can contribute to unhealthy habits.
Let's move on to lifestyle. How do you think social media addiction has changed the way people live?
I think social media has significantly influenced daily routines and behavior.
I agree. For example, many people spend more time online than participate in real world activity.
Sometimes people are so focused on taking photo or video that they forget to enjoy the actual experience.
Another example is consumer behavior. Social media is full of advertisement, influencer, and product promotion.
This often encourages people to buy things they don't really need just to follow trends or gain social approval.
Social media can also affect relationship, even when which friend or family member are together. They may spend more time looking at their phone than talking to each other.
That is important point. Technology should help us to connect, not reduce meaningful communication.
On the positive side, social media can also be used for education, networking, and business opportunity, and spreading awareness about important issue.
The key is learning how to use it responsibly.
So, what can people do to avoid social media addiction?
First, set daily time limits for social media use.
Second, avoid using your phone immediately before going to bed.
Third, spend more time on offline activities such as exercise, reading books, learning new skills, or spending time with family and friends.
Another useful strategy is turning off an unnecessary notification to reduce distraction.
It's also important to follow accounts that provide positive educational, and inspiring content.
By making small changes, we can develop healthier relationship with technology.
So to conclude, social media is a powerful tool that offers many benefits, but exercise use can negatively affect our mental health, physical health, and lifestyle.
Social media addiction is becoming increasingly common, especially among young people. So it's important to be aware of its effect.
By managing our screen time, maintaining health habits, and using social media wisely, we can enjoy its advance without letting it control our life.
Thank you for listening to our podcast today.
We hope you found this discussion informative and helpful.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye everyone, and remember, use social media wisely. Don't let it use you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.